EMU32, arriving on platform 7, bound for 33. No, frick, I got it wrong. Whatever. I'm just trying to line up with my, I don't know, 10-year-old voice. You could hear in the background. Oh my gosh, get ready for the door beep. There it is. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's just good stuff. I should shut up, oh my god.
There you go, track up number 7, stopping in stations, Lieutenant Rowe.
I actually never realised what good quality videos my iPhone 5 takes. Oh, and here's an NGR pulling up behind the Brisbane airport train. Yeah, you can hear my 10-year-old voice in the background. Screw my 10-year-old voice. I was an ugly then. Oh, well, I mean, I still am. Nothing's changed. 41 tons? Now, that's a thick, heavy boy, girl. They call the trains, the gorgeous trains, girls, so a girl then. Wow, that's a big girl. Can you see the flickering light in there? Oh, I wish they would fix it, but they can't be bothered now. EMU37's probably scrapped now, as in August 2020. Oh, did you hear that little horn? Oh, and there's the deep horn. There goes the big girl, EMU37. And there goes... Oh my god, can my 10-year-old self just shut up? No wonder I do videos now of me not talking, because I realise you can barely hear me. That's why I have to do a voiceover. Oh well, there it goes. I think it's going to Cleveland. That's a lovely day, isn't it? Oh well, I'm gonna head out. See you guys later.